In this next example, I'll be showing you how to multiply decimals. When we multiply decimals, it's really very similar to when we multiply normally. The difference is that decimal point. But as long as you estimate first, you'll always know where to place the decimal. So looking at our expression here, 4 8/10 multiplied by 5 2/10, I can estimate 4 8/10 to be 5, and I can estimate 5 2/10 to be 5, and I know 5 times 5 equals 25, so my product has to be close to 25. So if I rewrite my multiplication expression, 4 8/10 multiplied by 5 2/10, now I can multiply it as if the decimal points aren't even there. So 8 times 2 equals 16, add 1, 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. I'm going to put a 0 to hold the place value, because now I'm multiplying in the ones place with the 5, which is the next greatest place value. So 5 times 8 equals 40. So I'm going to regroup the 4, and then 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 4 equals 24. And now all I have to do is add up those partial products. So 6 plus 0 equals 6, 9 plus 0 equals 9, and 4 and 2. So now thinking back to my estimate as 25, the product equaling 25, I know I have to put my decimal point after the 4, because 24 and 96/100ths is the closest to 25. If I put it to the right of the 9, it would be 249, and that would be way too much. The other way I can make sure I know where to place the decimal point is by counting the place values from the right that the decimal point is. So in 4 8/10, it's 1 place value from the right, and in 5 2/10, it's also 1 place value to the right. So then when I calculate my product, I'm going to have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, and then down here with my product 24 and 96/100ths, move it 2 places from the right. I know I have to put it in between the 4 and the 9. And that's multiplying in decimals.